Hello students, in this class we'll learn how we can convert a given binary number to its decimal equivalent and also how to convert a given binary number to octal number or hexadecimal. A lot of things are there to learn. In our previous class or in previous video you can see how we can easily convert a given decimal number, the normal numbers that we in our daily life, those normal decimal numbers to binary, to octal, and to hexadecimal. If you haven't understood, you please watch the video which is uploaded. In this class, we'll learn how we can convert a given binary number to decimal first. So let us have any number like 11000101. If you'll ask what is this number, sir, even I don't know what I have written. I mean, I'll have to find it out which number is this. Although the binary numbers should be always written like this, if we are using multiple number systems, if we are using, then it is always good to properly represent a given number. Always write 2 in the subscript so that it seems, yeah, this is a binary number. Now, if we want to convert this given binary number into decimal, then there is a rule. What does the rule says? Rule goes like this. First of all, count the number of digits in it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. What I'm doing is I'll separately write these digits. 1, 1, 0, 0. There are a lot of techniques to convert. I'm telling you one of the best technique. First, you need to write the numbers this way in your copy because while when this question will come in your exam, you'll not be provided with this Excel and all. All the calculation you have to do manually yourself. So what the rule says? Rule says that a lot of ways. I just told you that there is a lot of techniques. I'm telling you the most perfect technique. Start numbering these from this side. The digit 0, then 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, and then 6. Like this. Start numbering from 0 and give them the numbers. Okay. And let me just point it out that how you have to give that number. You have to give number from this side. Okay. This side 0, 1, 2, like this. What's the case? The case is we are converting a given binary number to decimal. The rule says that we have to do what? We have to put power of 2. This is 0. 2 to the power 0 will write 2 to the power 0 like this. Once again. 2 to the power 0, then 2 to the power 1. Why I'm writing 0 and 1? This is a rule. And why we are writing 0 and 1? I'll tell you. I said that there are a lot of techniques. This is one of the general best technique. Although in the beginning it may seem that it's taking time, but it's not like that. Why we have put 0, 1, 2, 3? Because of this 0, 1, 2. This is the power that we have to raise, and of course the number of digits starting from 0. Actually, this should be the power of 2 that we have to raise for each digit. I'll tell you. Just watch it and try to understand what I'm telling. 0, 1, 2. Actually, it's taking time in Excel, but if it would be done in a copy, then it would have taken less time. No worry. Giving time in such things helps. Look, we are playing with numbers and putting this apostrophe marks. Let you write whatever you want to write in the cell. These are the simple Excel techniques. And the same way we have to, I mean, just follow this. Need to be changed individually every time. The 4, the 5. and 6. Why I'm doing such slow way? Because we have different types of students. Some understand it quicker, some take some time. So this video or this class will help all kind of student to understand it properly. All those students who are smart enough to understand in a short way, that's very nice for them. But it's not only for them. It's for all kind of students. Now what we have to do? We have to find out the value of these. What is the value of 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, and 2, and like this. We have to find the values. So 2 to the power 0, it follows the formula. Any number to the power 0, any number to the power 0 means 1. So the value of 2 to the power 0 will be 1. Now 2 to the power 1 means what? Power means what? I'll tell you power means what. 2 to the power 1 is 2. 2 to the power 2 means 2 to the power 2 means this. 2 into 2. 2 times. 2 to the power 2 means 2 into 2. What does it? 4. Now what does 2 to the power 3 means? 2 into 2 into 2. It doesn't mean 2 into 3. That will make it 6. That's not 2 into, this is not multiple, this is power. This is how it is done. 2 to the power 3 means we have to multiply 2 3 times. And this is what we are doing here. 2 is multiplied 3 times here. It produce 8 as the result. Now what 2 to the power 4 also? Not 4 like this. 4 times 2, huh? It's 16. Now again, fifth time. Excel helps you to understand this. Fifth time, 2. Don't get confused. Never do 2 to the power like 2 into 5. It will produce 10. But 2 to the power produce 32. This you might have learned in your maths class. Again, the 62 is 64. This is what. Okay, so now we wanted to convert this binary number, so we initiated with numbering them first and then raising the power of them and then actually writing the value of the 2 to the power this whatever. Now what we have to do, we have to multiply this cell and this cell. We have to multiply. So what will the result? Let us have a look. This multiplied by this, b5 into b2. B5 is this one and b2 is this one. So 64 into 2, what will make? It will make 64. And this multiplied by again this. And the same way we can do it, or one short way is also there in Excel. Just select it using shift plus right arrow and press Control R. Control R means pass the formula to all the cells easily. We could have done it here also. Just see one formula, Control R. The formula is passed. Look at this formula bar here. Formula bar shows you what is the formula there. Look, reference is changing every time. C2, C5 into C2, D5 into D2, E5, F5, and G5 into G2, like this. So now we have this. Now what we have to do? We have to add all these numbers. We have to add all these numbers. So add it. We have formula in Excel. It will be easy for us. Some formula, or you can add it anyway. 101. Or if you'll count, or if you'll simply select these all cells, so in the bottom also, look at the bottom here, look at the mouse pointer in the bottom, 101. This also shows the sums, so the count and the average. Everything is right there. Meanwhile you are also learning Excel. So 101. So we can easily say that this binary is of 101. Now this time this 101 also contain 101, but don't as I said that I also even didn't knew at that time that what number I'm writing. But this case, this is not 101, this is 101, and this is in decimal. So this is how we can do this. So this, now we have a formula here. Now if this thing is automated, now let us try to convert any other number. Let us randomly write any 7-digit number in. Okay, so 11010101. Okay, How many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Why I've written 7 digit? You could have written more or less also, but this formula is ready for 7-digit numbers. So what we need to do, we just need to change it. This one, this value, right? 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. This is 106. How, sir? This time we have not done any. Yeah, this is Excel. We have already done every calculation with reference and all. Now just we need to put the value and everything is calculated. This is how this number is produced. Now let us see whether this is actually 106 or not. So let us verify with the calculator itself. Let us not worry so much. Switch the calculator to programmer's calculator and then write the number 106. See the binary equivalent, see the hexadecimal, decimal, and other equivalents of octal also. So this is this. Okay. So this is how we can do this. Now let us try to convert another number to binary, this time a bigger number, of course. So let us do it. And this time we will do it in a little simpler way. This much calculation will not do. How? Let us try. 1011010010. How many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 digits are there. No worry, it's okay. So, well, yes, we need to write these numbers this way: 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0. What we need to do? We need to simply width of column. We need to reduce 3. Okay. So let us actually once count it. Exactly 10 digits are there or not? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If you'll write it in a different way or one digit will miss, then there will be a different output generated. Once again, verify also 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. No, actually that the same number is there. We have verified. Now, if you'll do calculations, you'll memorize. This will come in your mind. Okay. So now we can skip these two steps. These two steps can be skipped if you have understood. So we can directly follow with this one. So 2 to the power 0, 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128, and 512, and this 124. Sir, you have not done the calculation. How you are sure that 128 will be there for this and this? So dear students, I just said, if you'll practice, you'll remember it, memorize it. Another thing is you just follow the pattern. Every time the number is doubled, 8 ka double 16, 16's double is 32, its double is this, and this double is this, it's double in this, and double in this. इसके आगे जो double होगा वो भी आप लिख सकते हो. So now you might see it seems that things have become a little simpler. Now follow the same rule, multiply, and we know that anything multiplied by 0 gives 0. So wherever 0 is there, we can put 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. But what about rest? Rest we can write it like this and this. I mean, this multiplied by this. This time I'm not using formula. I told you how to use formula, but this time I'm just using it as if I'm working in a copy with paper and pen. 64. Watch it 2 or 3 times. It will become very clear to you. So now we have to add them all. You can add it manually, or let us, to save time, we can use the sum function. Now this is the number 1, 2, 3, 4. This time also this kind of number is coming. This is 1234. This is the number. This is what? This is in okay. What's the problem? This is in binary subscript, right? Now what is the decimal equivalent? 1, 2, 3, 4. I was not knowing that this will produce 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And yes, making mistake. This should be 10. Base 10. This represent that the given number is in decimal form. So let us verify it. Where is the verifier? Here it is. So write the number 1, 2, 3, 4 and check. 1001101. What is the mistake there? Somewhere we have done mistake. Okay, it's okay. Yes, here comes the mistake. Oh, a great mistake, great mistake, I got it now. Okay, dear students, I have found it. 128's double we need to write here, dear students. यही होता है, गलत तरीके से याद कर लोगे तो या कुछ हड़बड़ में मिस्टेक कर लोगे तो इट्स ओके डियर, नो प्रॉब्लम. एंड दिस इज अ लेसन टू यू आल्सो कि भाई हाँ ऐसा नहीं करना है, थोड़ा सा गलती कहीं ना कहीं तुम खुद कर रहे हो. तो द डबल ऑफ 126 इज 256. 128 is the double of 128 or 2 to the power 8 is 256, and 2 to the power 9 will be now this. Sorry. Now this is the result. Okay, this happens, dear students, no worry. 722. So here you also learned how we can, if you have made mistake, if a single mistake can will not let you have the right. Now let us verify this. That's why I asked your help also. If you could see where I have made. Okay, fine. So now we can see that 722 produces this output 10110110. Like this is how we can do.